Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We have a whole lot of fabric to show you, and it kind of runs the gamut of things. It's not all Christmas or all this or all that. So let's get started. We have My Red Wagon by Henry Glass. It first comes with a panel. Super sweet and cute. Then, this is sort of how it works. You have 2 bolts for each season. Spring, spring. This is sort of an odd guy out, but he looked really nice with all those, you see. So spring, spring, summer, summer, fall, fall, winter, winter. That's how that's going to work out for you. All right, and then we have Sewing Minds the Soul. So, of course, we all would agree with that statement, I feel like. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that great? I like it. And then we're going to move over. This is Henry Glass too, so is the next one. We're going to move over. This is, well, I think it's probably supposed to be pronounced Papa's old truck, but we say Papa for Papa, so I'm going to call it Papa's old truck. So it comes with this panel. It's a banner panel. And then you have the little tire wheels and vroom vroom and honk and all that, and then the old like filling station stuff, and it's just fun. Okay, then we got a few more. Slow the horse down there. We got a few more of the Giganto National Parks panels. So get them while you can. Not yet, buddy. This is a Numbers in the Jungle. And it is, I want to make sure I get it right because I think it's Henry Glass. It is. These little guys actually look like the little chameleon in Frozen, who's the fire guy. That's what I thought of. So if you have grandkids that are Frozen fans or kids, they'll know what I'm talking about. Then we have Buttermilk Farmstead. This is so dang cute, people. Wait till you see it. Wait till you see it. Look at that. I love the blacks and whites and grays in there. I think it's so sweet. And then, of course, we got a bunch of the bolts. We literally got them in the computer, Mom did, last night this morning, which is why they're not on shelves yet. Look at the gingham. I love a good use of gingham there. We'll move these two. You got your old, like the milkman. Do you know there are milkmen still? Did you know that? Also, while we're walking over to the front room, the Christmas tree skirt by Sandy Gervais, we got more in, so check it out. Then, we're going to go over here. I'm sorry.
Mom,
we got, hold on, buddy. We got Back Porch by me and my sisters. This is so sweet. I love this. I just think it can go patriotic. It doesn't have to go patriotic. It can just be fun summertime and cuteness. And a lot of people have red and blue kitchens, so I feel like that works. And then this, I love this. I took panels of this home already. Look at all the kitchenwares, and then you have like whisk, flip, roll, stir, and of course you got to put a little floral in there, and it comes with a panel. Let me take it off of here so you can really see it. They are placemats, so each panel comes with 4 placemats. Of course you need backing for them, but I really love it. I took 2 home so that I'll have 8 placemats because Mama Bear and Grampsy are frequently over our house for dinner, so that works out. All right, we're going to move into the kids' room. Hang on, buddy. Oh, did something fall? We have On the Farm by Stacy Sue. This is the, I grabbed 2 of them, the barn and stuffed animals. So you can see, you make all those and it closes up. It's a whole cloth, it's a panel here. So you're just going to cut and sew. All the instructions are on the panel. So that is a super fun project. You might want to make that for like a Christmas gift or something like that. And then over here, we have these. This is called City Hoppers. Just a couple of them here from Michael Miller. And those are real sweet and fun. You could easily add a blender in there and make a super cute baby quilt. And then, I feel like I'm saying and then a lot. There's so much today, right? We have Christmas. So first we have this. It's an Advent calendar. It's Snow Sweet Advent Quilt. So we have Snow Sweet line. And then now this is the Advent quilt. So you can see what it looks like there. So you get everything you need to make that. And next we have Frosty Friends, which are some fun candy canes, little tossed candy canes, colorful ones. And back home for holiday. I love that. It's like little postcards and season greetings and all of that. And that comes with a panel as well. Oh, we got a lot of panels today. All right, let's open this one up so you can see it. And that classic red with the snow, the barn, the bicycle, all the fun things. Anyways, I think that's all. No, it's not all.
No, it's not all.
What's next?
So we saw some vacant shelves walking through the shop because we have a big event coming next week.
Oh, yes. Okay, so on Tuesday, September 15th, which is in just a few days, our shop turns 5. We're 5 years old. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Okay, so we're having a sale.
Older than Asher is.
Older than Asher is. That's right. We're going to have a sale all week long. So we're going to have like a sidewalk.
5 days.
Yeah, 5 days because it's our 5th anniversary. But also so that there wouldn't be too many people at the shop at one time. Yeah. We're doing a sidewalk sale section. We'll post all the details later, but we're doing a sidewalk sale section that will be like significant discounts. And then when you come into the shop, everything in the shop will be, should I tell them what the percentage is? No, you gotta wait and look at the post to see how much everything is off. Everything in the shop except our already sale fabric and Quilter Select rulers, because we're not allowed to discount those. Everything else in the shop will be a percentage off, like the same percentage, so that way it's easy to keep track of. So that'll be September 15th, Tuesday, September 15th through Saturday, September 19th. On the 19th, we'll have some extra goodies because we are having a cake made and have some water and cookies and music outside and all of that. So
also have daily giveaways.
Oh yeah, we're having daily giveaways. That's right. The staff are going to pick baskets valued at when you spend Tuesday through Friday, when you spend $50 in the shop, you are entered to win a raffle basket worth $200 retail. On Saturday, if you spend $100, you are
all week.
Oh, yeah.
So Saturday's an all-week one.
Oh, Saturday's the all-week one. That's right. I'm sorry. When you spend $100 in the shop, you're entered to win one of 2 raffle baskets going to be chosen on Saturday, and they are retailing for $500 each. So get excited about that. You do not need to be present to win. We will contact you. So get excited for sales and cake. Are you excited for cake, buddy? Yeah, we love cake. And cheap fabric and notions and all the things. Get excited. There's no live this week, just so you know. It's Sayla's birthday weekend, our youngest, so I'm celebrating her. We're having cake tomorrow, too, for her. So we will see you next week, and happy quilting.